Today, I'll show you how to add a subtask system in Airtable so each of your main tasks can have its own linked list of subtasks. We'll walk through this step by step, starting from opening Airtable in your browser, all the way to creating a linked field that lets every task hold multiple subtasks in a clean, organized way. First, on your computer, open your preferred web browser and go to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces and bases. Once you're in, look for the base where you manage your tasks or projects. This might be something like a content calendar, a project tracker, or any base where you want to break work down into smaller steps. Click to open that base and then make sure you're on the specific table where your main tasks live. For example, if your base has several tables such as projects, tasks, and resources, and you want subtasks for each task, you'll want to be in the tasks table. You should now see your familiar grid view with columns for things like task name, status, due date, and any other fields you already use. Next, we're going to add a new field that will hold the subtasks. Move your mouse to the far right side of the table, past your existing columns. You'll see a button with a plus sign, usually labeled Add Field. Click that plus button. This is how you create a new column in Airtable. As soon as you click it, a field customization panel will appear. By default, Airtable may suggest a basic field type, but for subtasks, we want something more powerful. Open the field type drop-down and select linked record. This type of field is what allows one record to connect to another record, even in a different table, which is exactly what we need for a parent task and its subtasks. Now give your new field a clear descriptive name. Something like Subtasks works well because it's instantly understandable to you and anyone else using the base. Type your chosen name into the field name box so it appears as the column title in your table. Below that, Airtable will ask which table you want to link to. Here you have two options. If you already have a table set up to store subtasks, you can choose that existing table from the list. More often though, you'll want to create a dedicated subtasks table. In that case, choose the option to create a new table. Airtable will generate a new table for you, which you can later customize with fields like subtask name, status, assignee, or due date. Once you've chosen or created the table for subtasks, look for the button to create the field. Click Create Field to confirm everything. Airtable will now add this new linked record field to your tasks table. Because it's a linked record field, each task can connect to one or many records in the subtasks table, giving you the flexibility to add multiple subtasks under a single main task. From now on, when you click into the subtask cell for any task, you'll be able to add existing subtasks or create new ones on the fly, building a structured, relational setup that keeps your work organized and easy to manage.